Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you the most important POI of the ICT and how to use them. And if you watch this video till end, you will get to know once you start trading on any day, how to see your chart, how to annotate your chart with higher time frame, and how to take entry on your kill zone hours with specific model. So let's get started. So here we are in the daily time frame, okay, and market is running. We have a New York time 9:21 a.m. UTC -5, okay. What we see, we are in daily time frame reach to this fair value gap, okay. So what we anticipate, what is that? This is CB, sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency, okay. So what we have to do, as you see, price just came to the 50% of this fair value gap and give us the reaction, okay. So let me remove this one and let me drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So how to annotate your charts? Okay, price give us reaction here, which almost 70 pips, okay. So how we will take entry, because here if you see in the left side we don't have any fair value gap. One was here, that was filled, okay. A price rebalance but go upside, and we don't have anything here. So how we should take trade? We have here, should we wait for this fair value gap? Market maybe go there, okay. But if you go to back side, you will see here a inversion fair value gap in 4-hour time frame with the combination of daily time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, you see here also fair value gap of daily time frame. You have a 4-hour inversion fair value gap, okay. This is the second confluences. We are in daily CB, sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency. This is ICT fair value gap term for the sell side, okay. So once you find like this second confluences, now we will drop to 1-hour time frame, and we want to see there another confluences that we have a valid order block here. If you see here, we have this valid order block, consequent approachment of the order block. Have you see the midpoint? Just price touch and give us the good reaction, okay. So once we get this, and what is the time frame? If I just open a session indicator, we are in the gold chart, okay. If we are session indicator, we are in the New York opening hour. This is a 1-hour time frame and New York opening. And also we have no any major news today. At 6 o'clock, at 10 o'clock we have a news on USD, but before that we got this setup, okay. So what we do, once we tap on our the POI, okay. So why this POI is most you can say is most high probability, because it's combinate with the higher time frame, okay. We have price tap on higher time frame, fair value gap, the consequential approachment of that FVG daily time frame. We have 4-hour inversion fair value gap, and we have 1-hour order block, okay. Now what should we enter here? No, we have to go for more lower time frame and wait for a pattern that that ICT teach on 2022 or 2023 mentorship. Sorry. If you see here, once price tap here, so what we have to wait? We have to wait for a market structure shift with displacement, or you can say a break of structure to the downside. Here, if you see, this is the candle before and after did not break this low. This will be your market structure shift with displacement, okay. Many SMC traders will consider this one will be a valid pullback. This also will be a valid, because the previous candle, this candle will take the previous candle low, so it's also valid. But sometimes they consider this one, okay, but it's already too much move that's happened and they miss the opportunity. And even if they took the trade on here on this fair value gap, or if price rebalance here, so they have to put a huge stop loss, okay. So once market make a market structure shift with displacement on a 5-minute time frame as soon as you see the price tap on your POI, you have to come 15-minute, 5-minute, and want to see this type of setup. What is the setup? We have a displacement, okay, we have a market structure shift. What we have here, this candle and this candle, between there we have a FVG, okay. Price just tap on this FVG, the consequent encroachment of this candle, and we give us the trade here. The market is still live and I took trade on this. That's why I suddenly came and I want to show you. This is the setup. Really you will see in market mostly almost every day, maybe not in gold, but you will see this in GBP JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS 100 and other market as well. So here was the relative equal low that has been taken out, and you can put your first partial and then put your stop losses break even. And because market can come back to this FVG, because we have this valid FVG here of 5-minute, market can come back to here and go for further these lows here, okay. Or if we go to a 4-hour time frame, market can come back to our this fair value gap or this order block or this breaker block or anything that have like this BC, buy side imbalance, sell side efficiency. So this is how you can take your trades on the time, okay. So let's now market is going to open on US 30. So I just came here because just after 2 minutes there will be a huge volatility in the market. So I want to just show you if there we have any opportunity here. So market have a choppy here. We need more things here, but if you see, we have this daily order block. Price tap on it, give us a reaction. Market is bullish from yesterday. Let's take previous day high. So we have these equal highs to the upside. If you see here, okay, we have these equal highs, okay. Then we have to go for 4-hour time frame and want to see, we tap on this order block of 4-hour time frame. We have to see if we have any balance here. We have this imbalance inversion fair value gap, but we have to wait because price have more choppy if you see from back and forth. And then we go to 1-hour time frame and want to see if there is any good reaction, okay. So this is the wick. Price often give reaction on the midpoint of the wick, if like this, okay. And price going to the downside. We have just 20-40 seconds for market need to be open. Let's see what happened. This is the liquidity, this is the order block, price tap and going to the downside. 8:30 opening is going downside, so most probably we took the liquidity and then go to the liquidity to the upside, okay. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame and we see we have what here. I have 1 minute and we will see. We have this order block. Does price respect this order block or not? 15-minute order block. We have this smaller fair value gap here as well. So price here took the liquidity here. We have these liquid lows. Let's see what happened. We have here a 1 hour fair value gap as well. this order block. So price tap on the 15-minute order block and give us a reaction. We will go to a 1-minute time frame. We want to see if there we have any entry pattern. We don't have any entry pattern yet because this is a back and forth. So what will be our entry pattern? If price goes to the upside, we have a clear liquidity area that is here. Okay. For example, if price did not go for the high of this liquidity and just tap on this daily order block, where should price go, or where can it will be go? It can go to the previous day low or consequent approachment of this previous day, as also known as this order block. Okay, you can target if price if go to there and give your setup on 5-minute, 50-minute after confirmation. Okay, so what is the basic rule of trading here? That you have to wait for like this type of setup. We have a fair value gap and then we will go for a sell. Okay, same for the buy. If you want to buy, you have to wait for setup clearly, and then you will go for buy or sell. Okay, here if I want to buy, shall I buy because it's tap of the tap on the order block? No, I want more price action to be entered in this trade. I want to make market structure shift, need a fair value gap, and then we will target for the relative equals lows and the final this equal highs. If not, then I need more price action for trading. Okay, we have a hourly order block here. So we have this fair value gap as well. So there is, if market is bullish, so we will consider the bullish trade. We will not do a counter trade on this pair or any pairs. Okay, so here was a fair value gap where price give us the reaction, but the buys, daily buys is showing us a bullish. It can be wrong. Okay, it doesn't mean that the higher time frame is bullish. So we will get many times you will get a stop out, doesn't mean. So stop loss is mandatory. Profit is not mandatory, but stop loss is mandatory. So don't worry about stop loss. This is all about risk management and your psychology. Okay, so once I got some subscribers on my Telegram channel and my YouTube, I will do a live webinars and live these market analysis and trading free of cost, no any charge, nothing is there, so you can watch. So make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you want any account there where you don't want to pass your funded account, you just need a direct funded account, I will give you link in the bio. Here you can buy instant funding account without any evaluations. Okay, no time limits, with 100 leverage, scaling up to 1.8 million, 10 smart down, no, there is no daily drawdown. Okay, no profit target, 70% first, and after 20% gain you will get to scale to 90% profit. You can start $79. Okay, every time you reach 10% profit, they will double your account. For example, you go for a $10,000 account, you buy for $40, and once you get $1,000 profit, they will make your this 10,000 to 20,000, and from 20,000 when you make 10%, they will make 40, then so on. Okay, so you will get the many programs links in the bio. So instant funding is the best one, so get there from that link, and might be you get the offer if there is available. So meet you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and join our Telegram. It's free of cost. Meet you in the next video. Best of luck.